Hello children, good morning to all. I hope you are completing the notes in your maths notebook and doing the homework as well. In today's class, we are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter 5 of maths subject. And today we are starting with the part 3. So let's see what is the topic today. The topic is addition of 3-digit number. What is the topic? Addition of 3-digit number, and that is without carry. Students, we have done the exercises of 2-digit numbers with and without carry. So, in today's class, we are going to understand and write down about the addition of 3-digit number without carry. So, let's continue. Steps to be followed for addition of 3-digit number. 3-digit number में हमें कैसे calculate करना है? So, for that we have to understand the steps. Let's see the step 1. Yes, the step 1 is add the numbers which are on ones place. Students, in the 2-digit number also, the step was same, right? What we have to do? We have to add the numbers which are on ones place. Step 2, add the numbers which are on tens place. So, the second step is we have to add the numbers. हमें numbers को add करना है जो tens place पे है. Then, step 3, add the numbers which are on hundreds place. So here students, one new step is there that we have to add the numbers which are on hundreds place. Students, हमने ones, tens और hundreds इसके बारे में हमने place value में भी समझा था, right? So here also we will add the numbers which are on ones place, then on the tens place and on the hundreds place. Then the step 4 is find out the total, right? We have to find out the total. Now, let us understand it, right? So, let us understand it with an example. Let's see the example here. Yes, students, here we have to use 3 columns, right? Here O means ones, T means tens and H means hundreds. So, O is for ones, T is for tens and H is for hundreds. So, student, let's follow the steps that we have understood. So, on the ones place, which numbers are given? 3 and 5. So, we have to add 3 to the 5, right? So, let's count it with the help of our fingers, right? After 3, we have to count till 5. Start with the 4 students, okay? हमें 4 से गिनना start करना है. Let's count it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Now, what was the step 2? We have to add the numbers which are on tens place. So, on the tens place, 1 and 4 are given. So, we have to add 1 to 4. So, students, I already made you understand in the previous videos that 1 plus 4 and 4 plus 1 is the same, right? Means the answer is same here. So, after 1, count from the 2, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Then, hundreds place, right? On the hundreds place, 1 and 2 are given. So, our step 3 was to add the numbers which were on hundreds place. Right, so here 1 plus 2. Students, it's very easy. 1 के बाद 2 तक काउंट करना है, तो 1 के बाद 2 and 3 आता है. So 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. So the step 4 was find out the total. So 358 is our total, or else we can say our answer. So our answer is 358, or else you can say 358. So now let's start our exercise. So here, students, take out your maths notebook and on the new page write down the date. What is the date today? 1/10/2020, and the heading is exercise 1, addition of 3-digit number. Addition of 3-digit number without carry. Okay, we don't have to carry the numbers here. हमें सिर्फ जो वंस प्लेस पे है, टेंस प्लेस पे है और 100 प्लेस पे है, उनको प्लस करके हमारा टोटल फाइंड आउट करना है. So here the first one. Students, you have to write down this HTO. Okay, without this you can't do the sum. So let's start from the ones place. Now on the ones place 6 and 1 are given. So students, 6 plus 1, 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 7. So when you add 6 to the 1, okay, count it. 6 plus 1 करना है, तो 6 के बाद 1 काउंट करो. 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 7. So our answer is 7. Now 4 plus 5. We have to add 4 to the 5. So let's count it on our fingers. 4 के बाद 5 तक count करो. We will start from the 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Then 1 plus 3, or else you can do 3 plus 1. Then अगर हम 1 से मीन्स 1 के बाद काउंट करेंगे, so we will start from the 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right? So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Now the second one. Here also we will start from the ones place. Now students, as you can see on the screen, tens की place पे एक 0 है. Students, I made you understand, when you add any number to the 0, the answer is that number only. So students, 0 कहीं पे भी हो सकता है. So you have to be very careful while adding the number to the 0. Right? So here on the ones place, this is ones, okay, not 0. So on the ones place 5 and 1 are given. So 5 plus 1 is equals to, very good, 6. Then 0 plus 4. 4 को 0 से प्लस करना है. यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर ऐड हो रहा है 0 से? 4. So the answer will be that number. So the number is 4. Then 2 plus 1. Students, 2. After 2 what comes? 3. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So the final answer is 346 or 346. Right? Students, you can write down this from the attached PDF. Okay? How to write down in your notebook? You can easily copy that from the attached PDF. But before that, please, you have to understand this video with the sums. Okay? Because this chapter is very, very important. After this, we have to do problem sums also. And in that, you have to be very careful about writing the statements and doing the sum. Okay, so now the third one. 651 and 222. Right? 2, 2, 2 are given. Now let's see how it will be solved. We will start from the ones place. Students, 1 plus 2, it's very easy. 2 and 3. So the answer is 3. Then 5 plus 2. 5 के बाद आगे 2 count करो. So what comes after 5? 6 and then 7. So 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. 6 plus 2. Students, now 6. 6 के बाद क्या आता है? 7 and then 8. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So our total is 873. 873. You can say any of these, right? 873 या 873. So this is 3-digit number addition, right? Addition है 3-digit number का without carry. Now the fourth one. So here on the ones place 0 is given. So 0 plus 4, it will be 4 only. Then 3 plus 2. 3 के बाद 2 count करो students. 3 के बाद 2 count करना है. So 4, 5. What will be the answer? 5. Yes. कैसे किया? 3 के बाद और 2 count करो. 4 and 5. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Now 8 plus 1. 8 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है स्टूडेंट्स? 9. So 8 के बाद आपको प्लस 1 करना है. तो 8 के बाद क्या आता है? 9. So 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So our final answer, or else you can say total, is 954. Now we are continuing this in the same exercise. Okay. Fifth one. 511 and 33. Right students? We cannot say 033. It's 33 only. So we will start from the ones place. 1 plus 3. 1 के बाद 3 तक count करना है. So we will start from the 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. Tens. 1 plus 3. Students, it is very easy. अगर 1 plus 3 यहाँ पे 4 है तो टेंस की प्लेस पे भी क्या हो जाएगा? 4. Then 5 plus 0. Here 5 is added to 0. So the answer will be 5 only. So our total is 544. Okay. Now the last one of this exercise. 149 plus 120. So we will start from the ones place. 9 plus 0. 9 add हो रहा है 0 से. So the answer is 9. 4 plus 2. 4 के बाद हमें 2 काउंट करने हैं. So 4 के बाद क्या आता है? 5 and then 6. So 4 के बाद 5, 6. तो 4 plus 2 कितना होता है? 6. Now 1 plus 1. Very easy. 2. So the answer is 269. So students, now on the new page, you have to continue with the exercise 2. Don't forget to write down the date. After writing down the date, you have to write down the heading. Exercise 2, addition of 3-digit number without carry. So students, here the first one is 264 plus 205. Okay, so कैसे solve करेंगे? Yes, we will start from the ones place. Which numbers are there on the ones place? 4 and 5. So we have to add 4 to 5. So we have to count after 4. 4 के बाद 5 तक count करना है. So we will start from the 5 only. Confuse मत होना students, please. Let's count it. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here the answer of 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 6 plus 0. Here कौन सा नंबर ऐड हो रहा है 0 से? 6. So the answer will be that number only. That means 6. Then 2 plus 2. 2 के बाद 2 काउंट करो स्टूडेंट्स. 2 के बाद 2 काउंट करना है. 3 and 4. So the answer will be 4. And our final answer, or else you can say total, is 469. 469. Right? Now the next one. What you can see? Yes, double 0 है. That means on the ones place and tens place 0 है. Yes students, the sums can come in any of the way. Right? So here 700 plus 151. So 0 plus 1. कौन सा नंबर ऐड हो रहा है 0 से? 1. So the answer will be 1 only. Then 0 plus 5. Here which number is added to 0? 5. So the answer will be 5 only. Now 7 plus 1. We have to add 7 to 1. So count it. 7 के बाद क्या नंबर, कौन सा नंबर आता है? So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. So the total is 851. Now here in the third one students, hundreds की प्लेस पे कोई भी नंबर नहीं है. Yes, you can see it that the hundreds place is blank here, right? No number is given. So we have to assume that here 0 is given. राइट हमें क्या अज्यूम करना है कि यहाँ पे क्या है 0. राइट सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. लेट्स फॉलो द स्टेप्स. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वंस प्लेस. 5 plus 3. वी हैव टू काउंट 5 के बाद हमें 3 तक काउंट करना है. राइट सो 5 के बाद 3 काउंट करो. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Now 8 plus 0. Here 8 is added to 0. So the answer will be 8 only. Now 1 plus, yes, मैंने कहा था कि क्या assume करना है 0. So 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Then the fourth one. Students understand this, हाँ? बहुत अच्छा सम है और मज़ा भी आएगा. Now 235 plus 431. Okay, so on the ones place 5 plus 1, on the tens place 3 plus 3, and on the hundreds place 2 plus 4. So let's solve this. Now we will start from the ones place. So on the ones place 5 plus 1. So 5 के बाद क्या आता है 6. So here the answer will be 6 on the ones place. Then 3 plus 3. 3 के बाद भी हमें क्या काउंट करना है 3. So let's count it. 3, then 4, 5, 6. 3 को काउंट नहीं करना है. You have to count from 4. So 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Then 2 plus 4. हमें 2 को 4 से ऐड करना है. Then what will be the answer here? Let's count it. 2 plus 4. Count from the 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the answer on the hundreds place is 6. Our total is 666. Right? Students, as you can see, आप 5 को जब 1 से ऐड करते हो तो भी आंसर 6 है. 3 plus 3 और 2 plus 4 करते हो तो भी आंसर क्या आता है 6. स्टूडेंट्स, सम कैन कम इन एनी ऑफ दीज. राइट मतलब सम्स ऐसे आ सकते हैं. राइट you have to be very careful while adding the digits or numbers. Okay. So here we have completed our part 3, and the exercise 3 in your maths notebook is homework. Okay. So in the next class we will continue with the part 4. Have a nice day, students. Copy down the exercises in your maths notebook in good handwriting, and please practice the sums by yourself. Okay, and you can do more and more practice with the other sums also.